You call this love. You call this love. This is also love for you. But what are your thoughts about this? Is this love for you? June is known as the Pride Month. The LGBTQ community celebrates themselves in various ways. This month long celebration of the Pride is an opportunity of peaceful protest and awareness. The first Pride March of the LGBTQ took place on June 28, 1970 in New York. There is a reason why the month of June was chosen as the LGBTQ Pride Month. It was to commemorate the Stonewall riots that took place at the end of June in 1967. From then, every year, the LGBTQ community celebrates with several events such as parades, community events, street parties, street festivals, educational sessions, poetry readings, public speaking, etc. All these attracts thousands of participants each year. Does any of you know who designed the first rainbow flag? A man called Gilbert Baker, who was gay himself and a drag queen, designed the first rainbow flag back in the year 1978 to create a symbol of the gay community. The flag which he designed had 8 different color stripes. Each of them had its own different meaning. Pink referred to sex, red referred to life, orange referred to healing, yellow referred to sunlight, green referred to nature, turquoise referred to magic, indigo referred to harmony, and violet referred to spirit. Later in 2017, to involve the black and brown members of the LGBTQ community, brown and black colors were added in the rainbow flag. Now let's talk about India. Do any of you know where the first Pride Parade in India was held? Kolkata was the place where the first Pride Parade of India was held back in 2nd July 1999. It was called the Kolkata Rainbow Pride Walk. It's believed that Kolkata was chosen for the first Pride Parade in India because of its rich culture and history of several movements. After the first Pride Parade in Kolkata in 1999, it was followed by the first Delhi Queer Pride Parade, Bengaluru Namma Parade, Queer Azadi Mumbai Parade in 2008, followed by several other parades in 2009, 10, 11 and so on. Young India, following their parents with lack of awareness and education about all these, have turned out to be homophobic, orthodox and misogynist. So here are some ways by which the parents can educate themselves and help out their LGBTQ youths. First of all, you have to learn all the facts for yourself. For helping them, you have to start by letting them know that they are loved. You have to be available for them and you have to get them into talking. You have to maintain a healthy relationship with your child and have to support them, irrespective of their sexual preferences. You have to stay involved with the school and the teachers, out for signs if they are being bullied or they are bullying others. You have to ensure that they are forming other healthy relationships and they are not taking any wrong steps. By doing all this, you can really help and encourage your child in leading a happy and a healthy life. Therefore, ending this video in a positive note, I want to say that having a different preference of sexuality than others is not a disease. All this is not a phase that is going to pass away. And also, no doctor can treat it and make them right. This is how they are. This is how they are born. So love them, respect them, irrespective of everything, because their lives matter.